Starting a food business is really hard. It doesn't seem like it should be. I mean, we love to make our food and give it to the world, and it's so easy to share with others. But when you want to start selling your food product, it all of a sudden, it's a game changer. It's so much harder than you ever would imagine. So I am here to help you understand the regulations, the licensing, and how to start a legitimate food business. So today in this video, we're gonna talk about business types. The sooner that you can understand which of these business types or combination of these that you want to start your business doing, the better, so that you can stop wasting time and money. So my name is Sari Kimbell. I'm the founder of Food Business Success, and I am a food industry consultant that help my clients start and grow their food businesses. And I've helped hundreds of people start their food business dreams, and I help them to do it without wasting time and money. So let's get started. So you have 4 business types that, depending on your state, may or may not work. So many states have something called cottage food, or it might have a slightly different variation of a name. But basically, this is a home-based food business. So many states allow you to start cooking and selling product from your home based around the product type. So you want to look up through your state, and a lot of times it's operated by your university's extension office. So you might find the information there. But definitely start with your state health department webpage and look up and see if you have something like a cottage food license. I highly recommend that when you're starting small, if your product type does fall under cottage food, that you start that way. It's a great low-cost way to get going, test out your product, test out pricing, go to the farmer's market, sell directly to your customers. So a couple of the caveats with cottage food is that you can only sell direct to consumer, so a farmer's market or e-commerce, but it has to be within your state. So you can't sell outside of there. It is based on the product, so it is limited. They're what's called not potentially hazardous products, and then even within that category, they do limit those products. So see which ones qualify. If yours does, again, I recommend you doing that kind of a product. So pretty low cost to entry. You'll probably need to do a food safety course, and then that's kind of it, and you're ready to go. I'll talk more in the next video about specific licenses, but really cottage food, there's not a whole lot to it. You can get up and going for not that much money. All right, wholesale would be the next license category, or food business type. So this means that you can sell to grocery stores, you can sell to coffee shops, you can sell to gift stores, so you can sell to any places where they're going to resell your product. So keep in mind that your pricing is going to look different than if you're selling direct to a consumer. But this does allow you to go for quantity over a quality one-on-one relationship. So that is one type of business model or business type. And then you're also going to have your direct to consumer. So again, things like farmers markets, trade shows, events, online, e-commerce. So these are all examples of direct to consumer. And depending on your food, you may need 2 licenses to do wholesale and direct to consumer, or you might just need 1. And then the last type of business type is what's called private label. So you could, let's say you make a hot sauce, and maybe you have your own facility making that hot sauce. You could also make the same hot sauce or a different type of hot sauce for somebody else and then put their label on it. So it's a way of diversifying your income, but you basically become a manufacturer for somebody else's product that they're then putting their label on. So those are the 4 types of food businesses. I would love for you to write in the comments what type of food business you are thinking about doing, or if it's a combination. I also love to know what you're making. I mean, I just love food, and I'm sure you do too. So let me know what kind of a food business you're thinking about doing. Also, be sure to sign up for our business startup guide that's just for food businesses. Quick link, and you'll get that PDF delivered to your email. You can also check out our Food Business Foundations 1 and 2 courses over at foodbizsuccess.com. So go check that out. And while you're here, and leave that comment and also like this video and subscribe to Food Business Success.